Lint buildup and clogged dryer vents are a serious fire hazard, which is why they should be cleaned regularly. Fast and efficient dryer vent cleaning isn't rocket science, and it shouldn't take you more than about 20 minutes. If you're an HVAC contractor or a chimney sweep, I want to show you a fast, safe and professional way on how you can offer this additional service using the Wöhler Rotary Viper. If you're still cleaning dryer vents using traditional snap-in rod systems, you're wasting time and you're leaving money on the table. This is the Wöhler Rotary Viper, a professional cleaning tool made in Germany, designed to make your cleaning tasks faster, safer and more professional. For this job, I'm using the Wöhler Rotary Viper M10 with a length of 10 feet. You simply grab the right brush, a cordless drill, and you're basically ready to go. First, I take a quick look into the dryer vent to show clear before and after results of my cleaning to my customer. To do so, I use the Wöhler SI 400 Smart Inspection Camera, attach it to the Rotary Viper, so I can instantly record the footage on my smartphone. Then I feed the Rotary Viper through the Wöhler dust guard and screw on a suitable brush. With the M10 version, I can choose from a wide range of diameters and materials to handle even the toughest deposits, all with one flexible system instead of dozens of individual rods. Most dryer vents are 4 inches in diameter, so I'm using a 5-inch brush for a thorough clean. I secure the brush with a lock nut so it doesn't come off in the duct, even when I run the drill in reverse. No fishing for brushes, no lost tools and no callbacks. The Wöhler dust guard adjusts to the diameter of the dryer vent and lets me connect the standard vacuum. This generates a negative pressure in the duct and pulls out the dust right where it's generated. The customer's yard stays clean and the cleaning effect is even strong. I attach a cordless drill, turn on the vacuum and simply push the Rotary Viper through the entire duct. The rotating inner core is protected by an abrasion-resistant outer hose, allowing me to safely guide the Rotary Viper without any risk of gloves getting caught. Compared to traditional rod systems, I don't have to screw together rod after rod or constantly have to reattach the drill. I just keep feeding the Viper and the job is done in a fraction of the time. I document the result with a quick after inspection, measure the improved airflow and show the customer the clean duct. And that's it. Fast job, professional result and an easy additional revenue stream for any HVAC or chimney business. The Wöhler Rotary Viper is a professional tool made in Germany, designed for safety, versatility and ease of use. If you want to offer dryer vent cleaning as an additional service, that's how you do it.